Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to my channel X Academy. X Academy provides you latest tips and tricks on various MS Office softwares. And before we start today's video, let me remind you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So what's all there for you in today's video? So let's start today's video and explore the latest tips and tricks on MS Excel.
Welcome to this tutorial, and today we will learn how to make your Excel cells speak.
Hi guys, are you amazed by listening this robotic voice? Of course yes, because this is not a human voice and this is not generated by me. This is generated by the MS Excel itself. So in this video, we will talk about that how to make your Excel cells speak the exact values, the exact data which you have just entered. So let's start and learn how to do this. First of all, you have to go this option that is customize quick access toolbar. Right click, go to more commands, then select commands note in the ribbon. Then you have to search for speak cells. So here is the option which is speak cells. Select this, add, and now you can add one more, that is speak cells, on enter. Now there you can see we have another options also, speak cells by columns or speak cells by rows. You can try your experiments with these options too, but today we will focus on just these two options, speak cells on enter and speak cells. Just press OK and you will see that you have been provided two more options in your quick access toolbar, and these are speak cells on enter and speak your cells. So let's try this and see how this works.
Turned off speak on enter.
So just enter any value 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8 and press enter. You will see you are not getting any voice. Go back and just click here.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
And now you have activated the speak cells on enter. Now press enter.
345,698.
So this is a very adventurous and amazing way you can use Excel in your workings. So try experimenting with other values also. 3, 4, 6, 9. And let's change the formatting.
$3,468,765.
So let's change its formatting to
$3,468,765.
So this way you can speak your cells for numerical values. Now let's try with the alphabetical values. So let's add anything.
Shashank Valia. Arun.
So this is how you can activate speak cells option in your Excel worksheets. So before we end today's video, let me again remind you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And thank you guys for watching this video. Do watch my other videos on MS Excel VBA series and MS Excel tips and tricks. Thank you guys. See you soon.